Hey, everybody. I just want to say thank you for tuning in to the Staffing Monthly June edition. And I hope that you found this content useful. And I hope that the sales related content from myself and a couple of other thought leaders in this industry is useful and something that you can put into practice in your own staffing agency or recruitment business. And I also hope that you found value in the conversation I had with Evan from Jackson Lewis about the pay transparency law. I mean, that is a big deal in our industry and we need to be aware of it. And hopefully you're able to just take this information and apply it to your company for the better. Without you, tuning into Staffing Monthly, this wouldn't be possible. And I just want to give a shout out to our key sponsors that really support Staffing Monthly and what we're doing, trying to bring this knowledge and actionable insights to this industry with Aviante. They're an amazing technology partner and really the only true end-to-end applicant tracking software in the industry. Definitely check them out. If you're looking for a technology upgrade, they are so worth it. The things they're doing they're really on the right track. I think they're doing some amazing things and they're building features inside their software that are going to operate so much more efficiently than some of the other methods out there. So definitely check them out. Obviously, our friends at Great Recruiters, they're amazing, and if you think about what they're doing and how they're bringing, transparency and credibility to the industry, that's huge. And then some of the other unintended benefits of having a lot of reviews, to increase your reach on job boards and things like that. Having a platform like Great Recruiters really highlight how good you are at what you do is not only going to give you a transparent, definable competitive advantage, it's also going to give you a lot of other benefits with it. So definitely a great company to work with. I'd be remiss if I did not include Staffing Referrals, and my people over there. They are amazing at what they do, and they're really helping strengthen recruiting pipelines with upping the referral game. It is a huge untapped market. When you think about the fact that the vast majority of people that move from one job to another do it without ever touching a job board, and they do it based on referrals. This allows you to really fully tap into that elusive passive candidate market that all agencies really want to tap into to strengthen the recruiting pipeline. So there's no better company out there than Staffing Referrals to do that. And I would encourage you to go check them out. Thank you again. If there's topics that you would like to see in Staffing Monthly, please let me know. If there's questions that you would like answered about our industry, about business, about tools, resources, let me know. Shoot me an email, comment on the YouTube channel, whatever you got to do, just let me know and I will go find it for you and bring it to the industry. Thank you again. And until next month.